So I came into my house today, and I haven't been here in a week. It was 52 degrees when I walked in. It's cold, storming outside. I have a large room, as you can see. It's a king bed, so it's a large room. I shut the door, put this on, and within a minute, it's like warm, comfy, don't need shoes, socks on, or even a sweater. So I definitely give this the full 5 stars. Yep.
All right, going to test out. Nice flow for the fan. Turn the heat up. There we go. Nice amount of heat. Oh yeah, it's very hot. It's great for a small space.
See, it works really good. It blows out a lot of heat and fills my entire living room. And if you pick it up, it will stop running, which is pretty cool. I guess it's a safety feature. But for the price, it's really worth the money. I really do recommend this. I have 2 of them now.
Okay, this is the size of it. I always like to do it by a 16-ounce water bottle, so you know. The problem for me was that the control buttons, like when you have it down and are looking at it, it's really hard to read. And if you tilt it so that you can see them, then it shuts off. I mean, you can see them, but you just can't tilt it to do it. So for me, the convenience isn't great because of that, but it did put out good heat. It is a nice small size, and you know, other than not being able to read it, I like it. So if you have a good memory or a label maker, it won't be a problem for you.
When you get your heater, make sure you check the inside. Mine was broken. It still works fine. It's small and cute, and it actually turns off when you lift it. You see that? So that's perfect. And I keep it on top of the box so it reaches my bed. And yeah, it also has a fan. And you can even put it higher and even check the temperature, and you can put it low, and when it's like low, it turns off because it reaches the temperature it's supposed to be, you know. So it's a great heater. I really recommend it.